During mango season, if you love dishes like mango smoothies, mango tea, or mango dessert soup, then let's make a jar of mango sauce. It's super easy to whip up. Besides using it to make refreshing drinks, you can also spread this sauce on bread or pair it with yogurt for a delicious treat. For this recipe, I'm using 500 grams of ripe mango. Blend the mango with 250 grams of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you prefer. And add 100 milliliters of water. Blend the mixture until smooth. If you want a completely smooth sauce, blend it thoroughly. But if you like a bit of texture with small mango chunks, just blend it lightly. Once blended, pour the mango mixture into a pan, add 2 grams of salt, and cook it on low heat. The salt helps deepen the sweetness of the sauce. Make sure to stir constantly so it doesn't stick to the bottom. With the ingredients I'm using today, it'll take a little over 40 minutes to cook. Keep cooking until the sauce thickens and becomes slightly syrupy. A heads up, the sauce will thicken more as it cools, so don't overcook it while it's still hot. When it's thick enough that it doesn't drip off the spoon in a stream, it's ready. At this point, add 15 milliliters of lemon juice, stir well, and cook for another 2 minutes. The lemon juice will enhance the flavor and balance the sweetness. Finally, turn off the heat, let the mango sauce cool, then transfer it to a jar, seal it tightly, and store it in the fridge. This sauce stays good for 7 to 10 days, perfect for quick breakfasts or cool, refreshing desserts. This recipe will yield just over 500 grams of mango sauce. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've got a jar of thick, fragrant, sweet, and tangy mango sauce that's super versatile. If you love simple and delicious recipes like this, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.